Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss Gay Universe 2012 at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet our lovely candidates for their national costume.
The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look.
Starting with candidate number 1, Onki Mayari, also known as Solen Yusuf.
Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista.
Miss Solen was 21 years of age. Her motto in life is "Time is gold." Her vital statistics are 35, 24, 36. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Miss Solen Yusuf.
I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA, if you pay my way. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista.
Listening, good evening to each and every one of us. In the thought of my person being a part of the third sex community, that I don't consider a beauty contest is not a game, but either a challenge to engage every homosexual in our society. But give me are the best ability, the best quality beauty, the symmetric body, and the versatility of the talent, and the most especially the flexibility and creativity of mental capacity that definitely God has given me. Honorable judges, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, and between my name is Janela Montecarlo, was baptized by a Christian name of Jerome Bahay Malyar. And but tonight, ladies and gentlemen, nanggaling pa po ako sa bakuran ng Jimmy Charles 7, lumawak sa Survivors Philippines Palau. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, the sexiest, the cutie, the sexy. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan, Miss Binibini Solen Yusuf. Bago ko po yung hanapin na sulok ng tabladong ito, nais ko po yung bigyan ng sa katagang ba, baby, bobo. Ba? Baklada kayo kung pengan lang, bakla kami naman pumatin. Pelus na ako kung tatangkuhan niya kung balo ng bakla ko. Biligtit, binatang na akong tatangkuhan niya kung balo ng sususuko, kay gulot ming bali. Bobo lamang po rin ang sasabing salat kaya po, king lipunan. At po, ladies and gentlemen, Puto lamang po rin pantalan mi, pangabing, that's on secret Arab.
Thank you, candidate number 1.
The show is about to start.
The stage is yours, candidate number 2, Jomari Carino Nictao. Jomari is 16 years of age. Her motto in life, experience is the best teacher.
Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 2, Jomari Carino Nictao.
to go against. That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you look?
The greatest power of a man is the power of prayers. Through God, nothing is impossible. Greetings, mabuhay, and good evening. Standing in front of you was a 16 years old stunner who came all the way from the diversified Barangay San Miguel to the Progressive Recycling Zone 5, who was baptized by the Christian name of Jo Marie Carino Nictao, a certified data encoder from the MVP's Computer Learning Center of Bapali. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name and carry the image of the one and only, one of the most prestigious actresses ever created in the Philippine showbiz industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big hand for Miss Carla Abellana. Na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang wala pong masamang bakla sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng kapwa. Yun lamang po ay kung hindi po kami gagawa ng aming ikasasama. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 2, Miss Carla Abellana. Number 3, Fernando D. Benevista. Fernanda B. Benevista, 24 years of age, her motto in life, don't be a part of a problem, instead be part of a solution. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Fernando D. Benevista.
What is a trophy? What is a sound? And what is the title? And what is the prizes? My name is Indivi Jessica Odessa Sanfield and Montemayor. And tonight, let me stand by the name Miss Wilma Dassen. Bago ko po alisahan ng tabladong ito, nais ko lang po mag-iwan ng kataga. Ang titing mapait ay galing sa puwet.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Miss Wilma Dassen. Are you ready to show your beautiful body confidence? Number 4. John Derek Navarro. John Derek Navarro is a 45 resident of Cancinela, Apalis, Pampanga. She was 18 years of age. Her motto in life is, it's better to give than to receive.
Angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 4, John Derek Navarro.
how do you look?
Beauty is not seen in physical aspect, but seen in physical attitude. Maybe I don't have a strength of a man, but I have a heart of passionate woman. A glorious evening to everyone. Standing in front of you is John Derek Navarro. But tonight, please allow me to carry the image, the gorgeous, the beautiful face in Philippine showbiz industry. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan ang inyo pong nag-iisang Miss Rian Ramos. Bago ko po iwan ang tabladong ito, nais kong mag-iwan ng isang pick-up lines. Itlog ka ba? Bakit ito tinatanong? Salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 4, Rian Ramos. Five, Red Resinal Laconsay.
Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's Fashion Line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Justin Gucci, Gucci, don't forget my Gucci. Fendi and Armani, Gaga and Miss Gianni. Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, can't afford. P&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy. Alexander, Bertha, Rich, they all
Riding
think
the 15-year child of San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. She was 22 years of age, and her motto in life is, what is beauty?
of Christ. Beauty has a price.
If your brain is empty.
A glorious evening to each and every one of us, especially to the Board of Judges, my friends, ladies, and gentlemen. And between us, my name is Ashley Nicole Castro, bad sides, Christiani, of Fred Resinal Laconsay, and bad tonight, let me stand by the name of the one and only. Ang minsang sumuot ng itim na blusa, at minsang tingnan patibok sa pilikang puso ni Mr. Andrew Labrenica, sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan, Binibining Kylie Padilla. Na nag-iwan ng isang katagaang kung ang mga kababaihan ay nagsisilbing puso ng saging at ang mga kalalakihan ay nagsisilbing bunga ng saging, ladies and gentlemen, kami mga bakla ang magsisilbing matchin. Matchin na aakyat at kakain ng inyong matataba at matatamis. Inyong saging!
Thank you, candidate number 4.
Once again, I am the number 5 lovely candidate, Miss Kylie Padilla. Thank you.
Sorry, Miss Kylie. Our next candidate is candidate number 6, Paul T.
Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you
Paul was 15 years of age,
should go again?
and her motto in life is, I can do what man can do,
Fashionista.
and I can do also what woman can do.
A real beauty is not seen in physical aspect, but seen in physical attitude. Well, ladies and gentlemen, maybe I don't have the strength of a man, but I have a heart of passionate. A pleasant evening to each and everyone standing in front of you. I'm 15 years old. I have a beauty in my heart and strong confidence with God. And tonight, let me allow to you to carry the image and the beautiful face in industry. Muli po ninyong palakpakan, hiyawan at inyo pong suportahan. Ang inyo pong napanood bilang kontrabida sa Legacy, the one and only Miss Alexandra De Rossi. Bago ko po alisanin ang 4 ng sulok ng tabladong ito, nais ko pong mag-iwan ng isang pick-up line. Ang palaya ka ba? Kasi nilalagay ka sa pinakbet. Pinakbet, bet na bet, pak na pak. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 6, Alexandra De Rossi. Let's welcome candidate number 7, Kennedy De Assis Cruz.
Vegas to play. LA. If you pay my way. Fashionista.
Kennedy is 22 years of age, and she presently resides at Barangay San Miguel, San Simon, Pampanga. She believes that education is the key to success.
Every pageant is an history, and history repeats itself. If I'm the God-lucky winner tonight, Barangay San Miguel helped me to be a part of this history. A glorious evening to each and everyone, especially to the Board of Judges. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, And in between, my name is Kay Chanel Santillan Mendoza Pangilinan, was baptized by the Christian name of Ken Diaz's Cruz at 22 years of standards. And tonight, let me stand to aloud to carry the image of the one and only, the beautiful one, the sexiest one, and the gorgeous one. Nagmula pa po sa bakuran ng GMA7, the Starstruck Avengers. Ang minsang lumunok sa itim na bato at sumigaw ng Black Darna. Ang Juno ng Mahika, ang Ashley ng Lupin, ang Prinsesa Arwana ng Atlantica, the 2006-2007 Sexiest Pinay of FHM Men's Magazine. Mga kaibigan, sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Binibining Katrina Halili. Kung nag-iiwan ng isang pick-up line, bawal ka ba? Kasi walang linam namang maniko pag wala ka eh. Once again, this is Katrina Halili saying, I love you all and enjoy the night.
Thank you, candidate number 7, Miss Katrina Halili. Our next candidate is candidate number 8, Maui Pineda.
Designers are the gods, models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is a fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? New York, London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo. I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA, if you pay my way.
Before I start my introduction, I would like to congratulate the organizer, the board of judges, Madam Sir, May Paginumbing in Just Buke on. Say a pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the oneself to a pleasure to everyone, knowing and discovering out our inner personality, behind homosexual with a great courage and determination, from the Gia community, from Barangay Santa Cruz, San Simon, Pampanga, standing in front of you, my name is Maui Pineda, 21 of your standard, but tonight, let me stand by the lead, ang nag-iisang nagturo sa inyo ng sex drive, at ang huling birhen bumaba sa lupa, nasa inyo na pong harapan, ang nag-iisang Viva Hot Babe ng bayan, none other than Miss Maui Sailor.
Thank you, candidate number 8, Miss Maui Taylor. But not the least, candidate number 9, Jay Cooper.
Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel, Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci, Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni, Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford, P&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy, Alexander Bertovich, Naomi Campbell, such a bitch. I wanna be Delgada to fit into my bladder. Oscar de la Renta, Louis Vuitton, imitation of Christ. Beauty has a price.
A pleasant evening to each and every one of us. Why should I say, Maya Kabengi po kay Katamungan? Please give me time to introduce myself in this wonderful, beautiful, and fabulous evening. That the Lord had so given to us, and we need thank Him because of this. Huwag muna po tayong titingin sa ating kanan, kaliwa, at likuran. Dahil ang tunay na kagandahan ay nasa inyong harapan. This is J. Paulo Duhot. In my real life, 16 of stunner. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan. The original Kylie Padilla. Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, inyong pakinggan ang aking katagang. What is beauty if your book is dirty? Thank you!
Thank you, candidate number 9, Miss Kylie Padilla.
The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? New York, London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo. I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA, if you pay my way. Fashionista. How do you look? 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 Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line. Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci. Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni. Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford. D&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy. Alexander.
Okay, thank you very much, candidate. You may now go backstage.
To fit into my Prada. Oscar de la Renta, Louis Vuitton, imitation of